You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from French. It's the name of a theater in Paris, France. There's also different towns and villages that are called this way in France, and I think it's a neighborhood in New Orleans. Let me know in the comments what is Marigny for you. Let us know. How to pronounce it is Marigny. 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 In English, Marigny. Marigny. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.